What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Keep Network, which has gained an insane amount of value. As you can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing, guys. It has gained nearly 45% in value in the last 24 hours. It's currently trading at 16 cents. So we're going to be going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? Can it potentially hit the dollar mark or even the $5 mark by the end of the year? And going through both buyers and sellers' point of view. Is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Should you hold on to it before it goes even higher? So covering both buyers and sellers' point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just over a percentage in the last 24 hours. And we've got Keep Network as the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. And as you can see here, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 12% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 52%. And as you guys can see, it all started up about this afternoon here, where it pumped up from 12 cents to 14 cents and right now to about 17. And right now over the week, it has gone up 61%. And over the month, a massive 118%, guys. As you can see, since the start of the year, it's been going up in value at a slow and steady pace. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 920% in the last 24 hours, making it $10 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Keep Network. We're seeing both buyers and sellers, as it has been gaining a lot of attention. So we are going to see a lot of people investing into it and a lot of people taking out their profits and potentially reinvesting whenever it drops back down. But either way, the trading volume is going up, and there's no doubt that it's going to keep going up over the coming hours. And we are also going to see this percentage hit over 1,000% over the coming hours, as more and more people will start trading this crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Keep Network, which is here in purple at just about 10 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at 16 cents, nearly hitting 17 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are both looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes, they are looking quite steep, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 4, 5, 6 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep smashing it, so on and so on. However, that is not the point here. What I am expecting is for it to drop back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. I'm expecting it to drop down to below the 15 cents target. So early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Keep Network to be more or less around the 15 cents target. Why do I say that? As mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Keep Network. So by midday tomorrow, we should be trading around the 15 cents target or just below the 15 cents target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, the blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. So exact same applies here. It is not looking too realistic. And again, over the coming days, so let's say over the next week or so, I am again expecting Keep Network to drop down in value to around the 14 to 15 cents is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading by the end of this week. So over the next 7 to 8 days, Doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting the red candle every single day for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have days where it's green and it's pumping, red days when it's going to be down. It just means that the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Keep Network towards the end of this week. Trading between 14 and 15 cents in target is what I'm expecting at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, it is not looking as steep as the previous two charts, guys. It's looking much more realistic here, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Keep Network over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-March to late March 2023. I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value. So what does that mean, guys? Again, we still got a good 6 to 8 weeks left for that time. I'm expecting us to just about hit the 30 cents target by mid-March and potentially head above the 30 cents mark by the end of March 2023. But again, guys, unless the market goes for a major crash or a major bull run, things can get affected quite badly, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, guys, I'm going to try and keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So for the long term, Keep Network looks quite good. However, for the short term, I personally wouldn't invest into it right now if I am going into short term. The only reason is I'm expecting it to drop down in value over the coming hours and coming days as well. But again, for the long term holders, I would still wait to invest into it for it to drop down a little bit, because it's pumped up so much. It's very likely it's going to start taking a little step back. As you can see, it's already starting to do that. We can already see a red candle, but yeah, that is likely to drop further as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we are getting closer and closer to the resistance target here to get into the green zone, which is 33 cents in target, which we are quite close to. So late March, early April is when I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target and potentially break out from the resistance target here in April, and again potentially head even higher than that towards mid-year, and potentially head towards the $1 mark towards the very end of the year. But again, as I mentioned, it all depends on any partnerships or collaborations or updates that Keep Network have got going on, or may have got planned for the future, which can have a positive impact, or just the crypto market in general. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Keep Network, guys. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your end of year prediction for Keep Network. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So please, guys, hit that subscribe button. At the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not help me out? And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.